Hi guys, welcome in a new lesson in Adobe Illustrator course. Today we have a new small tool, but it is very effective and any designer uses it. I'm talking about eraser tool. Now for example I have this ellipse and I wanted to use the eraser. Select the eraser and start erasing anything like this. And I can use the shift button to make a vertical cut or a horizontal cut like this, or a 45-degree. If I wanted to change the size of the eraser, double click on the tool, and now I can change the angle of the eraser and the roundness like this, and the size of the eraser. If I wanted to go back to the first eraser, double click on the tool and click on reset. Okay, now I go to back the first one. The second tool with us today is scissors. This tool is used for cut lines only, like this. If I make a line, select the scissors tool and click on the point you want to cut in it, like this. I have now 3 points. Now choose the select tool and move the lines. Now I have 4 lines.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.